Welcome back to another Minecraft video. So today I'm going to be showing you a tour of my ship. I have shot a fireball over there a few minutes ago. So basically I have this cannon. Comment down below if you think it's really cool. Let me shoot that one more time. A few more times. That was actually a very hard shot to do with a fireball, because they go everywhere. But so I'm sorry that I'm missing on my boards and it's so glitchy. And basically, so here's like my control. Here's like my control spot, like where I have all this. Just want to listen to everything. And yeah, so there's that. And I have a little hot tub over here. Here's a shout out to two people. I don't know if one of them, I don't know if Hunter, if you're a kid or if you're not. But Hunter, thank you for subscribing, basically that's what sub means. Subscribing to my YouTube channel. And that supports it. And thank you, Caden, for drawing me pictures. He's one of my best friends. Hunter is so nice to subscribe. But so my friend Caden, he watches YouTube on a TV, so he couldn't subscribe. So I'm kind of sad about that, but it's okay. Other people could sub. And comment down below if you think my cannon was legit, or if you like my ship. I have base. There's nothing in my base. In my base book. The tack, there is some stuff. If you don't know how to read, I'll read it out to you. Blow up cannons, weaken them, and blow up Max's ship. Max is my button. And safe. That's safe to keep my ship safe from blowing up and stuff. But so I got my dog Jack. And yeah, this is it. I didn't really want the light to go down to here and here, but here's all the lights. Here's my little entrance to go in and out. And then I have this boat. Here, let me show you an island that I just at a few minutes ago. As you can see, I collected some stuff. Mushrooms, and I didn't see any mushroom cows. I'm wondering, see if you can see that island back out there. I will go visit that for you. So I got all this stuff in creative, if you didn't know, because I would not get that many diamonds to build just that giant ship. I don't know if it is possible or not, but it wouldn't be possible for me. I'll be playing Minecraft for like 4 or 5 years. But so yeah, we're getting a close-up shot of the island. Shot means like a close-up view. We're gonna go around the island a little. And just get closer up so you can see it better. And Hunter, if you play Minecraft, please comment down your Minecraft name. Comment your Minecraft name if you play Minecraft, and I might friend you. Don't know. It's up to my parents. So here's a quick view of my of this island. I go on it a lot. I didn't build anything here, but it's just like to chill. It's like they have some fun going on. But we do attack each other. But he plays on Kindle and I play on PC edition. PC means computer. So basically this is where I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching the video, and goodbye.